Show you how to change Samsung emojis to iPhone emojis step by step. It's super easy and I'll walk you through the entire process. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials like this one. Let's get started. Step 1. Download ZFont 3. First, open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. Search for an app called ZFont 3 and download it. The app is free and simple to use. Once the app is installed, open it and grant any permissions it asks for. Step 2. Choose and apply iPhone emojis. Now open the ZFont 3 app. Go to the emoji font section and tap See All. In the search bar, type iOS to find iPhone-style emojis. Select the emoji style you want, tap Download, and then tap Apply. When prompted, choose the Auto-Recommended option. Step 3. Prepare your Samsung phone. Before the emojis can be fully applied, there are a few steps to complete. 1. Install the Samsung Sans font. 2. Change your phone's font style to Samsung Sans. You'll find this in your phone's display settings. 3. Log into your Samsung account. 4. Back up your phone settings, just the settings section, not your entire phone. 5. Uninstall the Samsung Sans font. Once these steps are done, you're ready to finalize the emoji installation. Step 4. Finalize the emoji change. Go back to the ZFont 3 app and install the font with your selected emojis. Revert your font style to the default setting. Restore the settings you backed up earlier. Bonus tip: restart your phone. If the emojis haven't updated yet, try restarting your phone. After restarting, check your emojis. They should now look like iPhone emojis. Here's how my Samsung phone looks after following these steps. The iPhone emojis are now fully applied and working perfectly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.